Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, and this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now all you have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. Here we can change the time range, so from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. It's completely up to you. And then tap on delete data. However, if you wish to remove some advanced browsing history, I highly recommend to simply tap on more options, and here we've got this section, so saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you wish to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. Here at the top we can change the time range, so from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or all time. It's completely up to you. And then tap on delete data, and we just go back to the homepage. We have the information, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.